How to use apple cider vinegar dandruff.
Simple vinegar massage. You will need 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar.
Gently massage the apple cider vinegar into your scalp. Leave the ACV on for about 10 minutes and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Finish with conditioner.
Why this works. Massaging ACV into your scalp will help it penetrate your follicles, removing any buildup and also balance pH and oil production. This is one of the most efficient ways to maintain scalp health and ensure that it is squeaky clean.
Chamomile tea and vinegar. Chamomile is widely known as a calming agent. Rinsing your hair with a solution of tea and vinegar will give your hair golden glow, but also soothe your scalp. No more itching and irritation.
Combine 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of freshly brewed tea. Wash and condition your hair as usual, and then pour the chamomile solution through your hair. Use this as a final rinse, and do not rinse afterward. Allow your hair to air dry.